Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to unmute notifications for people who haven't confirmed their email on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on PC. This new update has changed where some settings are located, so if you've been missing certain notifications, this guide will help you fix that in just a few simple steps. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main menu appears. There, you'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. Inside your Notifications panel, look toward the upper right corner or near the top section. You'll notice a gear icon or the word Settings. Click on that to open your notification settings. Next, find and select the option called Filters. This menu allows you to manage what kinds of notifications you see or silence. It's where muted and filtered notifications are controlled, giving you more freedom to choose what reaches you. From here, click on Muted Notifications. This section shows all the different kinds of activity that might be blocked from appearing in your Notifications tab. You'll see several checkboxes with different categories like New Accounts, Users without a profile photo, and Users who haven't confirmed their email. Now comes the key part. Locate the option that says who haven't confirmed their email. If that box is checked, it means notifications from those users are currently muted. To unmute them, simply uncheck that box. That's it. You've just told X to start showing those notifications again. After you uncheck the box, you don't need to save anything, changes happen instantly. You can exit the settings, return to your timeline, and notifications from those users will begin appearing normally again. And that's all you need to do. This quick tweak ensures you never miss important interactions, even from users who haven't yet confirmed their email. Stay tuned for more guides like this one and make sure your X notifications always work the way you want them to.